Okay, so here's an unboxing of the BIC America Acoustech PL-200 version 2. And this has been out maybe about 3-4 months now, and the reviews are still as good as the original PL-200. As you can see, some of the highlights of this model, not much of a difference compared to the previous model. This one though has been, they say, more finely tuned, and it can go down very close to 20 hertz and flat very close to 20 hertz. So they're saying compared to the previous model, the regular PL-200, that went down to 22 hertz. This one actually gets close to 20 hertz, and you know that's where when you start feeling the bass instead of just hearing the bass. Some highlights of this model, as you can see, it weighs about 46 pounds. As you can see, it has a front firing 12-inch long throw powered driver, state-of-the-art bass amplifier, 1000 watts dynamic peak power, dual flared ports, as you can see right there, compared to the older model, which had 3 or 4 inch port at the lower end of the back side of the subwoofer, just about somewhere in the center, in the lower center of the subwoofer. And of course the usual auto on, and of course high and low level inputs. Let me flip this around here. You see the usual advertisements about surround sound, and really pushing the acoustic line from BIC America. And that's basically it. As you go around the package, you maybe see some let me see if we can get some more here. It says something about maximum output of 1000 watts. Some more information right here. Trying to get this off to see if I could read it, but as you can see, some little more details right there. Next, I'm gonna cut open the top, flip it over, and reveal this device. Okay, here we are looking from the top down. Now you may be asking, where did I get this device? I bought it on Amazon. I checked with some of the regular distributors for BIC America, and they did suggest that there would be a sale on the item, which normally retails for $329. They did say it would go on special for Black Friday, and that's when I got it. Flip open the inside here. The usual manual telling you all about this device and how you should use it. I'm recording this video, by the way, with a Google Nexus 5X. So this is a phone. We'll get that phone out. Okay, very thick foam right here. And we have the power cord right here. And a nice little foam like bag almost that's covering and I can feel that, the top, it's very glossy. I can feel that. Alright, so I'm going to try and flip this over, bend to the sides. My first unboxing here. If you're wondering what I'm going to be connecting it to, I've got some Infinity Primus P363s. This is what it's going to replace. This is an old Acoustic Research 8-inch sub, which has served me well. Very musical, lovely center channel Infinity right here, and of course the other one. So I'm gonna flip this on to the side. PL subwoofer. Let me slide it out. Oh, oops. Okay, sliding it out. Oops. It's coming out. Yep, it's now on its side right here. You can feel the legs at the bottom, right? And you can inside the box right there. You can see that's the area where the legs were, right here. Extra foam. Pretty good shipping. I'm all the way in Jamaica. And that's in the Caribbean for you guys. We're not really familiar. And this came via third-party shipper. So let's rip this off. Wow, that's pretty good. You can see that, it's so sweet. Okay, so here's the back, right here. Let me spin it around, and that's the front right here. You can see the acoustic logo down there.